one now. Okay. Right. Minus pi to 0. Cos be 1 here. And then drops down to -1 here. And then the exponential function is very flat. And then will start to tick up a bit as we approach, and it'll hit across the axis at 1. So it's just this point here we're not sure of. Don't think we can solve it analytically because we're trying to figure out when will cos x equal ex. We'll have to do that numerically. No, I don't want 0 actually. Minus 1.293. Yeah, about halfway, it looks like. 293. Yeah, so it's the integration from minus 1.293 to 0 cos x minus ex dx. That would be sine x minus ex, the two numbers. So that would be sine 0 minus e power 0, and then sine 1.293 minus e power minus 1.293. So that's -1 plus sine 1.293 minus minus, so that's plus e power minus 1.293. Close to 1, I think. Oh, less than I thought. 0.236. .429. Must have just got something wrong with my signs, huh? Cos minus e becomes sine minus e. Sine 0 is 0 and e0 is 1. So that's -1. Okay, so that looks okay. Minus, and then we put in minus 1.293. So sine is an odd function. I can take the minus out, but okay, I'll play it safe then. Sine negative that. Yeah, still the same thing. And then minus e. Which then would be a plus. Oh, you know what? This happened before. So because of x equals minus pi, they also want this area as well. This is what happened in one of the earlier questions. So actually, it's two areas. So what I've just worked out, if I call that A, that's area A, and now you have to get area B. And B is basically the same thing, except it's just a change in the limits. it's from minus pi up to minus 1.293. And because the functions swap places, you can just put a minus in front here. So if you just repeat the calculation with the different limits, you can get the b pretty easily. So let me put in the different limits. So it would be sine minus 1.293 minus e. So this would equal minus, and then e power minus 1.293. So that's like minus 1.23610, etc. And then you put in minus pi. I forgot about this guy here. Minus pi. Minus minus, so plus 0.04321339. So minus 1.23610 plus 0.043239 times the minus 1. So that is 1.192, and I might have a rounding issue here, but if I add them together now, I get 1.429. Yeah, excellent. 1.429. That's annoying. Now that caught me out. Ugh, that caught me out last time as well. Where did that come up? Was one of these? Was this one here? I remember that caught me out there too. It was a double region, so to speak. So yeah, that really bugs me. Really bugs me.